To replace the turn signal assembly or lights, you will first need to remove the front bumper cover. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. If you are just replacing the bulbs, you can remove the bulb housing covers by turning them counterclockwise and replace the bulbs. If you are replacing or removing the assemblies, use a T25 torque and remove the 2 screws. Unclip the wiring harness by pressing in on the tab, red arrow, and pulling it out from the assembly, blue arrow. Squeeze in on the tab on the fluid line for the headlight washer, red arrow, and pull it off the washer. Unclip the washer assembly from the turn signal assembly, blue arrow. You can now remove the assembly from the bumper cover. Installation is the reverse of removal. This image shows the bulb housing removed and the clip you will need to release to replace the bulb. When replacing the bulbs, never touch the bulb with your bare skin. Oils in your skin will cause hot spots and decrease the life expectancy of the bulb. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.